Whether you're trying to get new leads or make sales, your landing page needs to be built in a way that gets your audience to convert or to take the action that you're asking them to take. So it's got to be strategic and it's got to be good. Let's have a look at 4 things that need to be on point in order to make your landing page convert like crazy. Hi, I'm Alli, and I help emerging entrepreneurs level up their business online with a brand and website that makes an authentic connection with their dream clients. And if you want to make conversions on your landing page, which I know you do, you've got to make this connection really quickly. This leads me to the first thing you need for a highly converting landing page, which is a catchy headline. The moment your dream client arrives on your landing page, you've got to get their attention. This is the goal of the headline. So you've got to make it really quickly and clearly communicated what your product or service is and why it should matter to them. Remember, your dream client's always looking for the answer to the question, what's in it for me? So you really want this headline to be brief and punchy and to get them to think, yes, that's what I need. Number 2, a persuasive subheadline. If your headline does its job and keeps the reader on the page, then the subheadline's job is to get them scrolling down the page and to continue reading. It's a short blurb of copy that goes into a bit more detail and really starts to persuade the reader and makes them want to click on the call to action button. This leads me to the third thing, which is one really strong call to action. Unlike your website that has many different links and possible distractions to lead viewers into different locations on your website or off onto other pages, your landing page has only one single goal. And that's the goal that you've determined for this page. One single focus, an action that you want them to take. Your call to action needs to be really clear and obvious as to what you want your reader to do. So don't just say submit or subscribe. Instead, tell them exactly what they'll get when they click the button, such as download my free planner or start my free trial. And number 4, social proof. When it comes to getting your dream clients to convert on your landing page, they've got to trust you first. And one of the best ways you can gain their trust is by using testimonials as a form of social proof. Not only will you establish credibility, but because the testimonial comes from someone other than you, you don't have to give a strong sales pitch. People are so much more likely to convert when they know that other people have also clicked that call to action button and they're so happy that they did. Now, if you're creating a landing page, there are loads of places where you can build one, but my favorite is to use a page builder on a WordPress website because you can save it as a template and then use it over and over again. Click the video that's on the screen right here to learn 4 other benefits of using a page builder for your website. Now, before you go, click subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, and I'll see you next time.